Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela died today. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was the chairman of the board of the African National Congress. And woe is us if it ever falls in the hands of the wrong people. And that's why woe is us that Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela died, because his network is now in the hands of NWO, the New World Order. They've got a new chairman of the board now sitting in Mr. Mandela's office in the 21st century. And when the largest corporate media companies in the world controls the most awesome goddamn propaganda force in the whole godless world, who knows what shit will be peddled for truth on this tube. So listen to me. The media is not the truth. The corporate media is a goddamn amusement park. That's what the corporate media is. The corporate media is a circus, a carnival, a traveling troupe of acrobats and storytellers, singers and dancers, jugglers, sideshow freaks, lion tamers, and football players, to name a few. They're in the boredom killing business. If you want truth, go to Jah. Go to your guru. Go to yourself, because that's the only place you'll ever find any real truth. But man, you're never, ever gonna get any truth from them. They'll tell you anything you want to hear. They lie like hell. They'll tell you Kojak always gets the killer, and nobody ever gets cancer in Archie Bunker's house. And no matter how much trouble the hero is in, don't worry. Just look at your watch. Look and watch. At the end of the hour, he's gonna win. They'll tell you any shit you want to hear. They deal in illusion, man. None of it's true, but you people sit there, all of you, day after day, night after night. All ages, colors, creeds. The corporate media is all you know. You're beginning to believe the illusion the media is spinning here. You're beginning to think the tube is reality and your own lives are unreal. You do whatever the tube tells you. You dress like the tube. You eat like the tube. You raise your children like the tube. You think like the tube. This is mass madness. You maniacs. In Jah name, you people are the real thing. The corporate media is the illusion. So, turn off this goddamn computer. Turn it off right now. Turn it off and leave it off. Turn it off right now, right in the middle of this very sentence. I'm speaking now.